Jim Carrey revealed the biggest secret of the law of attraction, which left everyone shocked. Few know that Jim Carrey once lived on the streets after his father went bankrupt.
And a lot of people don't know this, but when I was about 14 or 15, my father lost his job, and I actually became homeless for quite some time.
He had lost hope of realizing his dreams. With no money to pay for acting school and no support from influential friends, Jim Carrey was on the verge of giving up. Until one day, he read a book about the law of attraction and tried something completely strange.
Myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. But then, just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million on, I think it was Dumb and Dumber, maybe.
Dumb and Dumber, yeah.
After discovering this secret, Jim Carrey began manifesting his desires effortlessly. He claims that visualization only worked after he started clearing limiting beliefs and adopting new mental patterns of abundance. You see, manifesting wealth may seem complicated for most people, but there's good news. Biblical scholars recently discovered a 20-word script in the first version of the Bible that can erase limiting thoughts and amplify the law of attraction by 100 times. Just press play and listen to these sacred words for only 11 minutes to eliminate money scarcity blocks in no time. Over 100,000 people are attracting their desires and unlimited abundance using this 20-word script from the comfort of their homes. Discover how to finally attract your dreams. Tap the Learn More button and watch an exclusive presentation that reveals all the details about these 20 sacred words.